given that AD is what? It's equal to what? To DB, right? So guys, let me take you through this process. It's a so please guys, don't cram, please understand, right? So first let's understand what do they mean here? OD is perpendicular to AB, right? So guys, perpendicular lines, right? Perpendicular lines are lines that intersect at 90 degrees, or let me just say right angle. Those lines, if we have for example, if we have a line, right? This line, let's call this line AB. Let's call this line AB, right? And then they say AB is perpendicular to what? To maybe DE, right? So if it's perpendicular to DE, going to be DE, and then they intersect at what? When they intersect, they form what? 90 degrees. So they want you to prove OD is perpendicular to what? To AB, right? So guys, the first thing reprove or OD is perpendicular to AB is that we must find to form two triangles, because once we form two triangles, those two triangles to prove congruency, right? Once we can prove congruency, we know the moment we prove a congruency, therefore we fit our processing area, right? Congruency, you know, triangle, like, okay, if we form two triangles and prove a congruency, meaning since we prove those two triangles are what? Are the same, right? So here we can try to form our two triangles. How can we form our two triangles? We can first try by constructing. So how to construct that? To construct from here, right? So guys, as you can see, you draw these broken lines to show we can get construction, right? And then guys, it's either if you construct straight more diagram above fling, or you write down and you say construction, right? And on construction, you're going to say join line OA and OB, right? It's either over construct line more diagram above fling, or straight or join line OA and OB, right? So right now we have our two triangles. As you can see, we have this triangle AOD and also what? BOD, right? So we have these two triangles. So we can use these two triangles to do what? To prove congruency, right? So congruency triangles already, guys, they are one, they're equal, they're the same, right? Okay. So right now we have our construction. So we can try to prove what? Congruency. So to prove congruency, we start mention those triangles, right? In triangle AOD and triangle what? BOD. It's very important for one of these statements. So slow to prove, guys, right? So okay, guys, okay, let me explain something. What is a radius, right? A radius is a line that is drawn from the center to the what? To the circumference, right? If this line is drawn from this center to this circumference, ke radius, and also the error ke radius, and radius guys, I get lines are drawn from center to the circumference, meaning that what? They're equal, meaning this side also radius which radius? This radius, right? So let's start to prove, okay? And how to prove a congruence? We just only need to prove three things. More triangling, guys, right? Okay. These two triangles in AOD and in triangle BOD, right? Okay. So first thing, we are given that AD is equal to DB. Okay, AD is equal to DB. We can write that down, right? AD is equal to DB. And what is the reason? We are given. The reason is very important, guys. The reason is very important. Please don't forget to write the reason. Also give the marks. Okay, let's move. We only need to prove what? Three things, and already can link one. So meaning they two, right? So okay, let's continue. And what else? Oh, OA is equal to OB. Radi. the radius guys ke the radius, right? Equal radius ke the radii, right? Ke the reasons are because of both of them, they're drawn from the center to the what? To the circumference, meaning that what? They are equal. Okay, we proved this more this one and this one, okay, and also rather this one and this one. So already we used this side and this side. What about this one? Oh, OD is equals to what? To OD, because of A come both triangles, right? If you can split these triangles, come OD, also come rabale OD, right? Okay, OD is equals to OD. It's common in both sides. It's what? It's common. It's common. It's what? It's common, guys. Okay, so right now we have those. Let's say to prove congruency, right? So okay, let's move. So what are the proof? Let's say try. So right now we can conclude by saying sorry guys about the camera, in triangle AOD, this triangle, right? Okay, in triangle and OOD already reprove ile hore I get reprove ile three. So kanara so triangle OD is congruent to what? To triangle what? BOD. Each and everything in our reason. Why are we congruent? Congruent to this triangle. Okay, first we say O AO le DBN. Ke dilo tseo ke ma side. So meaning re tlo ngwalang side. Okay, and then also our OA equals to OB learn again side, and then our OD is equals to OD learn again left side. So we have proved that these two triangles are what? Are congruent, right? And if provable these two triangles are what? Are congruent, meaning we can conclude, right? We can conclude by saying that therefore OD is perpendicular to what? To AB. We have proven, guys. Like this triangle, okay, this triangle is equal to this triangle. So we have proven that OD is perpendicular to what? To AB. Sorry about my ball pen, sorry guys. Guys, yes, please don't cram, guys. Try to understand. In theorem 1, also I will be using this circle to explain more, guys. In theorem 1, guys, we just use two triangles to prove congruency, and then we can conclude. Guys, don't cram, and remember, aim is not to get 100%, but aim is not to get anything less than 70%. If you have enjoyed this video and understood everything, please comment down, like, and subscribe. Thank you.